Hi, I'm Bob Tabor with www.learnvisualstudio.net, and I'm here with the third challenge, the Laborious Layout Challenge. This one's a little trickier because you're going to use both multiple grids and multiple stack panels, and there's probably a number of different ways to solve this, not just one way. But let's take a look at the challenge itself. You can see that we've got 3 sections. Each section starts with a title. The title is offset vertically from the text that it's associated with. Below each section of text, there's a little flag-like area with 3 rectangles of different colors. I guess the last thing I want to point out is that there is some margin space here on the left and here between each of the titled areas. All right, so let's take a look at the rules for this challenge. First of all, you have to use both grids and stack panels. Even if you think you can just use stack panels or grids, no. I'm forcing you to use both together just to prove that point that you can use both together. Secondly, here again, I set the designer at the desktop, not the phone size, just so I get more horizontal space. The next requirement is that the width of the entire layout should be 500 pixels. So from this side over here on the left to this here on the right, you'll notice that that gives us a lot of extra space over on the right. That's okay. Again, this is just a challenge. This is not real life. Number 4, the text comes from the lorem ipsum file. I think all you need is that very first line of the lorem ipsum. There's like 5 lines, or paragraphs rather. You just need the first paragraph. Most of the margins are either 10 or 20 pixels again. The title text blocks have a font size of 24 points, so here, 24 point. The rectangles should be 100 wide by 30 tall. The color of the rectangles should be, as you can see, green, black, red, red, black, blue, blue, and off to the bottom of the screen, you can barely see it, but blue, black, yellow, okay? Should be easy enough for that. Also use this image, the UWP-015- screenshot, as your guide as you're working on this. And let me see what else I can tell you. Oh yeah, just as usual, just try to do this without my help. If you need some help, that's great, but I want you to struggle a little bit before you sneak peek at the solution. After you finish it, you might want to compare what you did versus what I did. Because there's so many different ways to solve this one, hopefully you'll at least be open to another technique for solving this challenge, okay? So good luck. Again, this one's going to be rougher, but I know you can do it. If you solve the previous 2, this one, maybe not a breeze, but you should be able to do it. So let's see what you come up with in the solution video. See you there.